Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan said on Sunday that making the Karachi Comprehensive Coastal Development Zone part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor would prove a game changer and make Karachi a port city on a par with the port cities of the developed world. Prime Minister Imran Khan is addressing the groundbreaking ceremony of project of Karachi Circular Railway Project in the country's largest metropolis. Prime Minister Imran Khan earlier landed in Karachi on a day-long visit to perform the groundbreaking of the much-awaited project, which is expected to be completed in 2 years. The Taliban announced on Sunday that all the technical issues at the Kabul airport have been fixed and that international flights could resume now. A Pakistani soldier embraced murdered and 2 others sustained injuries in an attack on the Frontier Corps checkpost in Mech area of Balochistan's Bolan district. Zubair Umar became a top trend on Twitter on Sunday after a leaked video allegedly featuring Pakistan Muslim League Noon senior leader Muhammad Zubair went viral on the internet. The release of the leaked video on the internet allegedly featuring the former Sindh governor has apparently set the stage for another scandal in the Pakistani politics. A statue of Pakistan's founder Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was destroyed in a terrorist attack by a banned Baloch outfit on Sunday. A drop in the number of COVID-19 cases has been seen across Pakistan during the last week and the positivity ratio has recorded at 3.6% on Monday. Central Punjab on Sunday put an end to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's unbeaten start to the National T20 Cup with a 43-run win in the 8th match of the tournament at Rawalpindi Cricket Ground on Sunday evening. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.